Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim and today guys I'm super excited because I got a bag. Yes, I got a bag. So guys, I know everybody was like obsessed with the Coach drop from February 25th, I believe, the pink and the denim, right? Everybody was like, oh my god, about it. I did like it as well, but like I'm telling you guys, I'm very serious this year when it comes to saving and making sure whatever I do buy I love. So I was like, even though I do like it, I don't love it, you know. And trust me, I was getting the FOMO. I was seeing everybody with their bags and I was just like, oh my god, like, do I want one? Yes, but again, do I love it? You know, no. So I did pass on it. If it drops on price, which I know everything's like sold out, but like you never know. They always say stuff are sold out and it comes back, and I've been seeing people saying that it like randomly restocks, so I don't know. But if it drops drastically in price, maybe I'll snag something. I love that everything comes with like charms now. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. But anyways guys, okay, so yeah, that was Coach Outlet, right? Coach Retail had a bunch of stuff as well, and one of the items that I had no clue was gonna dropped, okay, and that's what I got. Yeah, so I got one here. I know this is a very controversial item because a lot of people were like, it's cute, but the price is not. And I felt the same way, guys, but I really wanted to see this bag in person and judge it for myself, guys. So I did grab one. Currently, I did see that it did end up selling out, so I'm so happy I did grab one. We'll talk about that a little bit more in a bit, guys, but it is here. I'm so excited. It took a while to get shipped. I don't know why, but it's here, guys. Let's unbox. And I even made a post about it. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it's right here. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Can you guys guess what it is? Can you guess what I got? Let's open it. Hold on. Let's see how I open it. Okay. I got my handy dandy crafty knife to open up my box. By the way, what did you guys get? I know like pretty much everybody already got like their bags or whatever it is that they ordered. I just got mine. And another thing was though that this one dropped. Well, they had 3 styles, right? One of them was in stock. You'll know what I'm talking about once you see the bag, but one of them was in stock on the drop date. This one didn't drop until like a day or 2 after, I'm not sure. So I mean, even though it is technically from the drop, it didn't drop that day that I know of. So yeah, I don't know. I'm still counting it from that drop. I don't know. Am I confusing you? So here it is. Can you guess? Can you guess? Oh my god. The Coachy box. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, I don't think it's factory wrapped, but thank you for shopping at Coach. The little card. Oh my god, it's right here. Let me take it out, guys. This paper is just like all over the place. This is all stuffy. Oh my god. Oh, this feels like a different material dust bag. Have you guys gotten these? Look. You know how the other ones are like white and like kind of cheapy feeling? This feels more thicker. Look at that. Is that new? Or I just don't know, but I don't know. Let me know. So, like I said, it's not factory wrapped. It's in a dust bag. Oh my god. That smells new. Okay. Who guessed what it was? Who guessed what it was? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're seeing it together, guys. We're seeing it together. It is the Patchwork Plaza 25, guys. Okay, yeah. She's a keeper, guys. I can already tell you right now. It's a lot to take in. Like I said, it is a very controversial bag because everybody was like, we don't like the price. Here it is. I got the black one. Like I said, it did not drop that first day that I know of. I just saw it as coming soon. Let me know if you guys got it that day. Maybe it sold out that day. I don't know. But they only have the brown one in stock, right? As I'm filming this video, again, I did say that it is sold out. Once I post it, if it is restocked, I'll link it for you guys. And then the khaki one, the light one, or white, I still have not seen it come in stock, which I was thinking about getting as well. But this is a black one again. Oh my gosh, guys. And obviously I'm going to do a close-up video as well. Yes, I'm keeping this bag, guys. Look. The sides as well. It comes with a little tag. Give me a second just to look at it real quick. You guys know I like to check my bags. So it has like the velvety sections, the denim, the black denim. It has like a little distressed look here. It has like a bunch of different like lettering, sizing of the Coach C's around it. The leathery areas. Okay. When it comes to the pricing, I think they priced it like that because they knew how popular the vintage patchwork was. So honestly, guys, in my opinion, like I said, I know everybody's like, oh my god, about the price, but I'd rather pay Coach the price for a brand new one than pay these crazy reselling prices, you know, for an old one, even though it's vintage. I don't know, say whatever you want, everybody to their own. But yeah, the little zipper pull is just hardware. This is the end where the strap is gonna go, and then I did buy a strap extender as well, just in case. Oh my gosh, guys, look, it says, oh, I have it backwards. Genuine full grain leather. Can you see that? Wow, this bag is beautiful. And you know what, I will put it next to my swinger 20 so you can see the size as well, because this is a Plaza 25. There's a Plaza like 18, right? I think. I don't know much about these bags, but yeah, ever since I saw this like on the runway show, I was like, oh my gosh, I want one. I want one. And I had no clue they were gonna drop like this drop. I had no idea. I thought they were gonna come like maybe spring. I don't know, guys. I don't know like so much about like drop dates and like all that stuff, you know, so yeah, I had no clue they were gonna drop that. But when I saw, I was like, oh my god. And I was like stalking the website because I knew I wanted the black one for sure. Like I said, I want the white one as well, but this is the one I dropped, and I was like, I'll just get one. I honestly, it took a while for it to sell out, right? The brown one is still in stock, and I was like, okay, I'll get one, see how it looks, and then if they drop in price, I'll get the white one, you know. But this one ended up selling out. I don't know, I'm pretty sure they will restock though, because they always say sell out and then they restock. They just do that to make you buy it, you know what I mean? So this is a strap. So this side is not detachable. Look at that. This is a strap, all black. This side is, which is pretty cool that at least they do that, you know, so we can add a strap extender if we need to. I'm gonna add it here like that. So yeah, that is like a very small for my arms, my muscular arms. I mean, it does fit. Look at that, it does fit, but I still want to have like a little extra length, I guess you can say. So yeah, that's how it looks. Let's look at the inside, and then we can add charms if we need to. So all the sides are patchwork except this, obviously, this piece right here. But this whole top is patchwork. Let me take out the paper so we can see inside. So the inside is looking like leather as well. Look at that. Guys, don't come at me. Materials, I don't know much about all that, but that looks like leather to me. It has the like Coach tag right here. Another little tag over there. Look at that, just one whole compartment. Looks really nice. I like it, guys. I like it. Like I said, I know a lot of you guys don't like the price, but I'd rather pay Coach their stingy prices than pay a reseller stingy prices. Just saying. We need to unnormalize crazy resellers. I don't have a problem with reselling. I have a problem with gouging prices reselling, and people that just take the joy away from everybody else when it comes to getting something, you know, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna add the little chain I bought. So I got these, they're from Amazon. It comes with 2, which is cool. I saw Ivana had these and I was like, where did you get that? Because I had been looking for some just like these and I could not find them. And she's like, Amazon. So I was like hunting for them on Amazon. And then when I got this bag, I was like, perfect timing, guys. So I ordered these 2. They were already here before the bag. And I thought it would be so cute as a bag extender for this bag. It's like the 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽 inspired chain. Can you guys see that? So I'm gonna add it here like that, just a bit. This is like a 3-inch extension. They have the 5-inch as well, like that, but just a tiny bit. And this does have like the, what do you guys want to call it, brassy or gold hardware, whatever you want. That's cute, right? Yeah, that's much better. Just a little extra, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, guys, I think it's adorable. I really like it. It's so cute. The detail, it's a lot, you know what I mean? It's a lot going on here. I think it's super cute. I do wish this was detachable. I don't know if that's like a plaza thing, probably. This is like a bigger wristlet, you know what I mean? Okay, let me show it to you next to my Swinger 20. I feel like this is probably like the closest thing I have to compare to when it comes to Coach stuff. So you guys can see they're both right there at the edge. How much more bigger it is. Side, here, let's show you this way. Look. Just to give you guys an idea, so it is longer. And I'll put the measurements up here as well. Or to like a tabby 26. I have one. Just one. They're measuring like pretty much the same. Look. The strap is a little bit in the way. It just went back. But yeah, look. It's like as long as a tabby. Just to give you guys an idea. Because I know a lot of people were wondering about the size as well. I like it. I really like it. It's my type of bag. You know, neutral, dark colors. I don't know why, guys. That's like all I own. Just dark colors. Except like one little pink bag in there. I love pink. Like in my clothes, that's pretty much as much color as I'm gonna get. Like a pink. And then I just wear like black or dark colors. I don't know, that's just me. But yeah, oh my god, I really like it. I really like it. It's gonna stay. She's not going nowhere. Look at the patching. I really like it. I'll probably end up moving into her as well. She's super cute. They knew what they were doing with this bag though. They know that the vintage is in. They're like, let's bring that back. I think it's cute. I really like it. I'm keeping it. So stay tuned for that up close look, guys. You guys know I love to share those with you and what fits. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave me a lovely comment down below. Did you get one? Are you thinking about getting one? Are you gonna get one now because you saw this one? Let me know. Let me know. Alright guys, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. And I want to thank you for spending some time with me as well. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.